Bamboo skewers are thin, relatively strong. Kind of like that idea. So now we have a ledge here. Okay, we're gonna cut this piece in half and the lid is gonna rest on this ledge right here. Okay, so we have our two little sides. Kind of cool how these became like alignment sticks to keep everything aligned as I was putting the box together. So I'm a little worried that this hinges may slip out. So I was thinking maybe I should add just a little bit of glue on the inside of here, just so that it can't just slip out. I think this one turned out better than the previous two by far. I was trying to be a little bit more careful. Bamboo skewers, definitely an upgrade from dowels or nails. I kind of like the dual hinges. It's like a little welcoming surprise kind of box. I don't know, it's kind of fun design. I've never made a box before that has two, you know, lids, two openings like that. I also kind of think it's fun to make small boxes because you're not using a lot of material. You can test out a concept. You think it's not going to take as long, but you know, it really kind of does because the cuts and the joinery is the same. Yeah, and then I lined it with leather on the inside just to kind of finish it up a little bit more. But anyway, this was kind of an excuse just to try out doing this design and these kind of hinges. I had a good time doing this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.